For a tasty midweek dinner, try this easy tuna spiced rice. It's made easy using Sirena Tuna and Marinated Vegetables. To get started, heat the oil in a large frying pan over medium-high heat. Add the onion and garlic and stir for 2 minutes until the onion softens slightly. Add the paprika and turmeric and cook stirring for 30 seconds or until the spices are lovely and aromatic. Once that smells fragrant, add the rice and stir to combine. Pour in the stock and bring the mixture to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to medium and simmer for 5 minutes or until the liquid is absorbed and the rice is tender. Stir in the Sirena Tuna and Marinated Vegetables. To serve, top with fresh parsley and a squeeze of lemon. With a can of Sirena Tuna and Marinated Vegetables, this delicious spiced rice dish is set to be a hit at the dinner table. Try it for a fuss-free meal this week.